everybody? This is Angel from WoodyThings.com. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. We're excited to show you guys a sneak peek, behind the scenes look at a specific or a special project that we've been working on. We've partnered with Artistique Customs, also known as Graffiti212 from Instagram. Here's his handle. And you can also find him specifically at his Etsy shop, which is artistiquecustom.etsy.com. So with no further ado, let me introduce you to him right now.
What's up, this Graffiti? I'm in the studio right now working. Currently working on Mia's custom shoebox. Got a couple of dope items we're gonna add into there also. This box was made by at Woody Things on Instagram. They really went all out on this piece. The whole 3D wooden cutout of her logo that they added to the box. They just shipped it to me. I'm getting ready to paint it and customize it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like in a little bit.
Now that you know a little bit about graffiti, let me tell you guys what we're gonna do today. We're gonna create the box that the personalized sneakers are gonna go into. And we're gonna add a little custom piece to the inside of the lid. We're gonna ship it out to Graffiti. He's gonna do his magic, which is totally amazing. And once he does that, we'll bring you back here and we'll show you the end product. And that's it. If you want to check out some of the behind the scenes looks as this is happening and projects like this, make sure you follow him on Instagram at Graffiti212. You can follow us as well. We'll have some parts of this project and other upcoming projects at Woody_Things. That's it. Woody_Things. Woody Things. And you'll be able to see some of our upcoming projects and stuff like that. So with no further ado, here's the project.
Yo, finally, the box is here. Waited so long for this thing. Shout out to my people at Woody Things. This thing got delayed by USPS, but they went out their way to make sure I had it. It's a 3D wooden piece they attached to it. Gonna cut this out, put the shoes in here. This thing gonna look dope. Knocking out the base coat of Mia's box with my helper / assistant. slash artist. Mukbang. So mukbang.
What's up?
Working in the late night. Get a portrait of Mia. Right there. Turn her into Superwoman. Finished the Mia motivation box. She's a fitness and life coach. The homie Tim commissioned us to create this custom shoebox for her. The whole thing is made out of wood from at Woody Works. They shipped it to us. We customized the whole entire box. Got her logo wrapping around. Mia motivation. We turned Mia to a superhero. Probably took us about a week and a half to do this. It's her logo. It's a 3D piece of wood that they cut out and attached it to the box for us. In the box we got some custom tie-dye socks, custom Air Force Ones to match the box, no days off, hard work. Got this bottle with her logo on it, it's permanent vinyl, 2 pairs of shoestrings from Lace Lab. Very dope piece that we did.
Hey guys, hope you guys liked that video. Thank you guys for tuning in, for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing if you like what you saw, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you for helping us grow, and yeah, be safe out there. Thank you.